Hello friends! Welcome to our channel, where we break down the latest crypto market news. Today is the 30th of December 2025, and we're talking about Ethereum, the backbone of decentralized finance, wrapping up a challenging year with eyes on a potential supercycle. The ETH price is currently trading around $2,968, with a narrow decline of 0.66% in the last 24 hours. The market is tense. The fear and greed index hovers in fear territory, and Ethereum is testing key support below $3,000 amid year-end selling. But let's figure out what's really happening. We've gathered the key events of the day, analysis, and forecasts for you. If you're a trader or investor, this video is for you. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss updates.
Discover Ethereum, a trusted project in the field of cryptocurrency staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which speaks to the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Ethereum uses advanced technology on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by confirming transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract permanent partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which significantly exceeds standard terms. My experience with Ethereum confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning more than $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these favorable conditions while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most profitable staking rates.
First, about the price. Ethereum started the day below $3,000, dipping to $2,950 amid broader market slips, but then stabilized slightly above that level. This is happening against the backdrop of year-end selling pressure. Bitcoin traders eye bets above $70,000, while ETH, ADA, and SOL slip, with Ethereum down 2.6% alongside a 1.7% market cap drop to $3,100 billion. According to Binance data, ETH surpassed 3,000 USDT briefly, but narrowed losses to 0.66%. Analysts from economies.com note that ETH rose intraday, surpassing the EMA 50 resistance to shed negative pressure, but remains in a tight band, with moving averages compressing near a key pivot. Altcoin Buzz highlights Ethereum holding a narrow range, with clear overhead resistance, suggesting potential further correction without a break above 3,600. On X, traders like Leonard Snyder point to ETH bouncing after testing $2,900 liquidity, with shorts eyeing a failure at 30.76 or longs toward 31.55. Now about macroeconomics. Ethereum faces a structural turning point in 2026 as market consolidation nears a critical moment, with technical and fundamental factors shaping its trajectory. A-Invest reports Ethereum approaching a multi-year triangle pattern, potentially defining its 2026 path. Global uncertainty lingers, but a Fed emergency meeting at 2 p.m. ET today, rumors point to a major liquidity move, potentially huge for crypto like ETH. Traders are fixing profits end of year. Volumes drop, creating thin liquidity amid a broader market cap decline. But there are important news. Tom Lee says Ethereum is heading into a 2026 supercycle despite the price dip, with crypto in a long-term uptrend. Bitmine buys another $131 million in Ethereum, bringing its December haul to $1,400 million, a massive vote of confidence. Ethereum's $330 billion on-chain economy could shape 2026, closing 2025 with record developer activity and signs of structural adoption. On X, SEC Chair Paul Atkins calls Ethereum a critical component of crypto, boosting sentiment. Real-world assets in DeFi surged to $17 billion in TVL, overtaking DEXs, led mostly by Ethereum. DeFi TVL dominance, Ethereum at $68.34 billion, dwarfing competitors by over 8 times. Ethereum reaches a new historical record for deployed smart contracts, 8.7 million in Q4 2025. Positivity and forecasts. Despite 2025 being Ethereum's worst year with only 3 positive months, Tom Lee sees a supercycle ahead. Matrixport analysts believe Ethereum is nearing a structural tipping point in 2026 via a multi-year triangle pattern. On Reddit, it's one of the last days to buy ETH under $3,000. Liquidation Watch. If ETH drops below 2,829, $1.493 billion in longs liquidate, Above 3121, $547 million in shorts. On X, Ethereum dominating real-world asset adoption. More news. On X, projects like $Manu on Ethereum, $ZYS as a stablecoin exit. Rhea integrates Ethereum infra for real volume. Contests question Ethereum as largest smart contract network. About companies, Bitmine ramping up ETH holdings. ETHZilla sells to pay debt. 0xMinem brings privacy to Ethereum. Forecasts are mixed. If zone at 2750 holds, rally to 3600, but could dip below 2700. Long-term, supercycle in 2026 with adoption. Ecosystem grows. L2, DeFi attract capital. Regulatory news, Fed meeting could boost liquidity. In conclusion, Ethereum ends 2025 defensively, but with supercycle signals. If support holds, expect rebound. Watch Fed, inflows, on-chain. Don't risk everything. Diversify and wait for signals. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next. Hold ETH tight, friends.